Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Mohamed talking about the positions of the letter Ta. Ta is written like that. طير يطير طير يطير Ta in the beginning, Ta in the middle. You can see that Ta in the beginning is not connected from the right, only from the left. Ta in the middle is connected both ways, right and left. At the end, قط. At the end, it's only connected from the right. It's only connected from the right. So it comes like that. At the end, not connected in the word قرط. قرط. It's just like that. So again, طير يطير قط قرط. That's all for the letter Ta. In the beginning, in the middle, at the end, but connected at the end, not connected. See you in the next episode.